Warm greeting to all. This session we are going to discuss Unit 3 Product Architecture Related System Level Design. So here in product architecture we have taken an example as desktop printer. So the layout diagram of desktop printer we already discussed. So here overview of desktop printer schematic diagram. So here we can see the operation of desktop printer. So what are the components, how it operates, and the flow diagrams are mentioned here. So this is the architecture of a desktop printer. So the functional or physical elements. The dotted line shows the flow of signal or data. So the display data from the system, it goes to the control printer, then it takes print. So that is dotted lines it shows. See, it may be a x-axis position and y-axis position, or pick paper or print cartridge. But the next one is flow of material. So the flow of material shows the line shows the flow of material. So the stock from the uh, paper, blank paper is from the stored to taking print and store output. So thick line flow of forces or energy. So the electrical energy we are conveying to printer. So these are the three physical elements shown the schematic diagram of a desktop printer. So here cluster element into chunks. So in previous slide we shown all the positions of the functional or physical elements. Here we are separating the functional element and chunks. We are divide this red color shows the chunk. So this paper tray chunk have two functional element, that is store output, store blank paper. So in case of print mechanism chunk have three different elements, functional elements, that is position cartridge x-axis, position paper y-axis, pick paper. So in case of logic board, the functional element or control printer communicate with host, connect to host. So these chunks have many functional or physical elements. So we are divide this into a functional element or physical element and chunks. So this you might have studied already in this earlier topics. So this is overview of this. So incidental interaction. So how the incidental interaction between the chunks. So enclosure to paper tray to print mechanism to logic board, and logic board to power card. So these are the interlink between the chunks. Then related system level design issues. The 4-step method of establishing the product architecture already you might have studied in the previous sessions. Here we are going to discuss about the secondary system. So let us see, but many more detailed activities remain. Here we discuss some of the issues that frequently arise during subsequent system level design activities and their implications for the product architecture. Here we are going to discuss a secondary system and architecture of chunks, and then last one is creating detailed interface specification. So these topics we are going to discuss in the next session. Thank you.